Hello friends, how are you? I think you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 important grammar mistakes in research paper. I'm not going to explain those things, just I'm going to figure it out what are the 5 important mistakes because I have proofread so many theses and I have found these are the common mistakes. First thing, third person singular. Whenever you use present tense, when you write in a present tense, in case it is a third person singular, you need to add yes with the verb. Okay, let me give you an example. And the result show the improvement. Result show the improvement. This is one sentence. It's wrong sentence because result is a singular. So you have to write result shows the improvement. You have to add yes with the verb show. That's what third person. The reason is whenever you use present tense, third person singular as a subject. If you use the singular subject that is in third person, you have to add yes with the verb. That's a rule. Most of the people they are not aware of this rule. They make this mistake. In case if it's a plural, what will you do that? You don't add anything. Results show the improvement. When you use results become plural, so here you should not use yes with the verb. Results shows improvement means wrong. Result shows improvement is correct. So very simple, keep in your mind. Third person singular subject means you have to add yes with the verb. Second mistake. One of the research paper says this is good. You cannot use one of the, it's called phrase, one of the phrase. When you start a sentence with one of the sentence, the subject should be plural, not singular. Because I have given an example, one of the research paper says, it's wrong. One of the research papers says. Let me tell you, repeat. Whenever you use one of the, it should be followed by the plural noun. One of the research papers. But verb is singular. One of the research papers says, not say. Then you can ask me, sir, in the previous thing you have told results show, but here you are saying that here papers how it is so. The reason is say. One of the research papers say this experiment is fine. Here, one of the research papers is not a verb subject. Here, one is a subject. So, one of the research papers, that is in the pool of research paper, only one paper says this result is right. So, most of the people, they'll make 2 mistakes. One is, when they write one of the, they'll use only singular. One of the research paper says. And sometimes they'll use one of the research papers, then they use say. Here they'll use plural, but the verb also they'll make it as a plural. That's not right. That's wrong. So after one of the, you have to use singular noun. Verb must be singular, not plural. Then how it is singular and plural? Very simple. If you add yes with the verb, the third person singular, if you remember the third person singular rule, same thing here. Don't remove yes with the, what you call in the one of the construction. One of the research papers says this result is good. This is mistake number 2. Third mistake, it's not a grammar mistake, probably I would say that punctuation error. A lot of time they don't use the punctuation properly, and what you call the proper nouns are not capitalized in the between the sentences. When you use a proper noun, a name of a metal or a name of the thing, person, a place, even if it is mid of the sentence, you must capitalize. This is the mistake number 3. Mistake number 4, and omission of article. A lot of places people they don't use article properly because when you talk about particular component, say you are talking about, for example, the jet component. You say that jet component is very useful. I used jet component in my research. So when you use this jet component, you are talking about that jet component again and again here. Then you are particularly talking about that component. So here the z component which I am talking about in this paper is important. So here before that z component, the indefinite article the is essential. Most of the places when you are talking something about particular and you have to use indefinite article the, in case the article is something which comes only once, not you are talking about frequently, then you can use a or an. And will be used before when the word starts with a vowel sound. So omission of article is the fourth important grammar mistake in the research paper. Then fifth mistake. Fifth important mistake, incomplete sentence. We call it in English, it is called sentence fragment. Fragmented sentence means only half of the sentence will be there, remaining half will not be there. They'll write incomplete. Despite of high caliber, then there won't be any second half of the sentence. Despite of the high caliber, and they'll say that high caliber good. Despite of high caliber, it is good. Or this result is good. Or despite of high caliber, this property is unable to perform very well. In that way, the remaining half should be there. Most of the people, they write only one half, remaining half will be ambiguous, or they'll just simply don't write, otherwise they'll mingle with the other one. And sometimes they'll forget to give a full stop, then it will go mingle with the other next sentence, it will end in confusion. That's why sentence fragment is the fifth mistake. So I have told you these are the top 5 errors. There are so many errors, but these are the top 5 errors. If you correct these 5 errors, and majority of the mistake can be avoided. Remaining thing based on, because I talked about in my previous video, and you need to know what type of error you are committing. Accordingly, you have to concentrate, then you will be able to avoid those things. I guess this video will be really useful to you, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share to a friend. Let them be useful, let them get benefited, and I'll meet you in the next research video. Bye bye.